Are you ready to dive into the thrilling world of marketing agencies? It's a realm where creativity meets strategy and success is measured in client growth. Starting your own marketing agency can be a game changer for your career and financial future. You'll have the freedom to choose your clients, set your own hours, and potentially earn much more than in a traditional 9-to-5 job. But let's be real, it's not all glamour and big paychecks. Building a successful agency takes hard work, dedication, and a solid understanding of both marketing and business principles. You'll need to wear many hats, from creative director to salesperson to financial manager. But don't let that scare you off. With the right approach and tools, you can build an agency that not only survives, but thrives in today's competitive landscape. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to launch and grow your marketing agency. We'll cover the essentials of creating a business plan, winning clients, scaling your services, and leveraging powerful tools like GHL to streamline your operations. Whether you're a seasoned marketer looking to break out on your own or a newcomer with a passion for digital marketing, this guide has something for you. So, are you ready to take the plunge and start your own marketing agency? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey that could change your life. Let's dive in and explore how you can turn your marketing skills into a thriving business that helps other businesses grow and succeed. Every successful business starts with a solid plan, and your marketing agency is no exception. A well-crafted business plan serves as your roadmap to success, guiding your decisions and helping you stay focused on your goals. But don't worry, you don't need a 50-page document to get started. In fact, I recommend starting with a lean business plan that covers the essentials. Start by defining your agency's niche. What specific services will you offer? Who is your ideal client? Maybe you'll focus on social media marketing for e-commerce brands, or perhaps you'll specialize in SEO for local businesses. Being specific about your niche will help you stand out in a crowded market and attract the right clients. Remember, it's better to be a big fish in a small pond than a small fish in a vast ocean. Next, outline your financial projections. How much will you charge for your services? What are your expected expenses? Be realistic about your startup costs and how long it might take to become profitable. It's always better to overestimate expenses and underestimate income when you're starting out. Don't forget to factor in your own salary. After all, this is a business, not a hobby. Finally, think about your marketing strategy. Yes, even marketing agencies need to market themselves. How will you attract clients? Will you use content marketing, networking, paid advertising, or a combination of strategies? Your marketing plan should align with your niche and target audience. And don't be afraid to get creative. Remember, you're selling your marketing expertise, so your own marketing should showcase your skills and creativity. Now that you have a solid business plan, it's time to focus on the lifeblood of your agency clients. Winning clients is both an art and a science, and it's a skill you'll need to master to succeed in this business. The good news? As a marketer, you already have many of the skills you need to attract and win clients. Start by building a strong online presence. Your website should be a showcase of your skills and expertise. Include case studies, testimonials, and examples of your work. Don't have any clients yet? Create mock campaigns or offer pro bono work to build your portfolio. Remember, your website is often the first impression potential clients will have of your agency, so make it count. Networking is another crucial strategy for winning clients. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and engage with potential clients on social media. Don't be afraid to reach out to businesses you admire and offer your services. Cold outreach can be intimidating, but it's often an effective way to land your first clients. Consider offering a free consultation or audit as a way to get your foot in the door with potential clients. This gives you a chance to showcase your expertise and build trust. During these consultations, focus on understanding the client's needs and demonstrating how your services can help solve their problems. Remember, clients don't just want to buy services, they want solutions to their marketing challenges. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of referrals. Once you start working with clients, make sure you're delivering exceptional results and excellent customer service. Happy clients are often your best source of new business. Consider implementing a referral program to incentivize your clients to spread the word about your agency. Section 4, scaling your agency. From small to stellar, congratulations. You've launched your agency and won your first clients. Now it's time to think about growth. Scaling your agency is about more than just adding more clients. It's about building systems and processes that allow you to handle more work without sacrificing quality or burning out. One key to scaling is to standardize your processes. Create templates and workflows for common tasks like client onboarding, reporting, and project management. This not only saves time, but also ensures consistency in your work. As you grow, these standardized processes will make it easier to train new team members and maintain quality across all your projects. Consider expanding your service offerings as you grow. Start by identifying complementary services that your existing clients might need. For example, if you're primarily offering social media management, you might add content creation or paid advertising to your service menu. This allows you to increase your revenue per client without having to constantly find new clients. As you scale, you'll likely need to build a team. Start by outsourcing specific tasks to freelancers or contractors. This allows you to take on more work without the commitment of full-time employees. As your agency continues to grow, you can start hiring full-time staff for key roles. Remember, your team is your most valuable asset, so invest time in finding the right people and creating a positive work culture. Section 5, GHL Tools, your secret weapon for growth. In today's digital age, having the right tools can make or break your agency's success. That's where GHL, or Go High Level, comes in. GHL is an all-in-one marketing platform that can streamline your operations and help you deliver better results for your clients. Let's explore how GHL can benefit your agency. First, GHL offers powerful automation capabilities. You can set up automated email sequences, SMS campaigns, and even voice broadcasts. This means you can deliver personalized, timely communications to your clients' customers without manual effort. Imagine being able to set up a full-funnel marketing campaign with just a few clicks. That's the power of GHL. GHL also includes a robust CRM system. This allows you to keep track of all your client interactions in one place. You can see a client's entire history, from initial contact to current projects, at a glance. This not only helps you provide better service, but also makes it easier to identify upsell opportunities. One of the most valuable features of GHL for agencies is its white label capability. You can rebrand the platform with your agency's logo and colors, creating a seamless experience for your clients. This adds a level of professionalism to your service and can help you command higher prices. Finally, GHL's reporting features are a game changer for agencies. You can create beautiful, data-rich reports for your clients with just a few clicks. These reports pull data from multiple sources, giving your clients a comprehensive view of their marketing performance. This not only saves you time, but also helps you demonstrate your value to clients, increasing retention and referrals. Section 6. Success stories and expert insights. Let's take a moment to look at some real-world success stories and gather insights from industry experts. These examples can provide valuable lessons and inspiration as you build your own marketing agency. Take the story of Sarah, a freelance social media manager who used GHL to scale her one-woman operation into a thriving agency. By leveraging GHL's automation features, she was able to take on more clients without working longer hours. She used the white label feature to create a custom dashboard for each client, which helped her justify higher prices and retain clients longer. Within a year, she had grown her agency to a team of 5 and tripled her revenue. Another success story comes from Mark, who started his SEO agency right out of college. He struggled at first to win clients, but then he started offering free SEO audits using GHL's reporting tools. These detailed, professional-looking reports impressed potential clients and helped him close more deals. He also used GHL's CRM to keep track of leads and follow up consistently, which dramatically improved his conversion rate. Industry expert Jane Doe, founder of a 7-figure marketing agency, shares this advice. Focus on results, not services. Clients don't care about your fancy tools or complex strategies. They care about ROI. Use platforms like GHL to track and report on the metrics that matter to your clients. Show them the value you're delivering and they'll stick with you for the long haul. Finally, remember that building a successful agency is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and persistence. But with the right strategies, tools like GHL, and a commitment to delivering value to your clients, you can build an agency that not only survives, but thrives in today's competitive landscape. So take that first step. Keep learning and adapting, and don't be afraid to dream big. Your successful marketing agency is waiting to be built.